Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert shapes in WPS Spreadsheet. If you want to do it, first you need to go to Insert tab, and here we need to find something like shapes. We need to click on this option, and now you'll be able to select one from available shapes. For example, I select here maybe circle, so I click on oval, and after that we'll be able to create a circle by pressing and holding Ctrl key. Of course, we can add another shape if you want. So again, I need to go to Insert tab, I need to go to Shapes, and for example, I select here rectangle. So I click on it and I draw here a simple rectangle, yeah, maybe something like that. But if you want to create a triangle, you need to go again to Insert tab, you need to go to Shapes, and for example, I can select here this one, triangle. And now I will be able to create here a triangle, maybe something like that. So in this way we can create a circle, we can create a rectangle or triangle in WPS Spreadsheet. But of course remember that you can always try to change the appearance of the shapes. So for example, I click on this shape and I can change the shape fill, so I select it and for example I change it to green. Of course we can change the shape outline if we want, so I click on this one, shape outline option, and for example I select here no outline. After that, this circle will not have the outline, or you can try another shape FX. So for example, I select this rectangle, I go to shape FX, and I can add, for example, a shadow, maybe this one shadow. So in this way, you can easily modify your shapes in WPS Spreadsheet. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.